Hi, welcome back to Opera app. Now we will see how to do the birds transfer. So there from one flock the birds transfer can be from the warehouse to the flock, or it can be from one flock to the other flock of the different sheds or same sheds. It depends on how you will do. So I'll just click on birds transfer in the layer module third option. So it is a birds transfer. So here we have the birds transfer display page. If I have transferred anything before, if I change the from date and to date, it will show that these are the birds that I have transferred. So this is a display page, like what transactions you have done recorded will be shown here. So from and to date are the filters that you can filter and check how much you have done in that date range. So now I want to add a new one, like here I have a new transfer I want to add. Go to add. So on what date you want to do the transfer. So from first date I want to do the transfer. So from what shed I want to do it, whether it's from warehouse you want to do it or you want to do it from a shed. From shed 2 I want to do it from this flock. If the birds are not there, then it will show alert like if the birds are not there, you need to purchase the birds first to that shed, then only you can transfer, or any of the warehouse, and from that warehouse you can transfer. So here you can see my birds available below. For this flock I am having this much birds available in my flock. I'll select to what shed I want to. You cannot send the birds from flock to warehouse. It can be from flock to flock or warehouse to flock, like not like flock to warehouse. So I am sharing like from this shed, this flock I am sending it to the same second shed only, but existing flock I cannot send because the same flock it is, where I have only one flock in that. Okay, or I can send it to the first shed of existing flock. So we have new flock and existing flock. So for first shed I can send it. So I can send 5 birds now. From second shed first flock I am sending it to first shed first flock, which is already existing. So there are two options, one is new flock and one is existing flock. If you have already created the flock and you are sending it to that directly, you can use the existing flock. If you are not created the flock and you want to create new flock automatically, then you can select new flock, but I'll show you the option in the coming thing. So here I can now existing flock I am showing, so I'll just continue with this. So existing flock 5 birds I am just sending this. So if I click on save, okay, so if I click on save, now it will saving the birds transfer. So birds transfer is saved on that day. If you check, so I have transferred 5 birds from this shed, from this flock to this flock. Now as I told, existing flock I have done, so I will show you how to do with the new flock now. So I don't want to create like their new flock, like I am already in this add page, so I am sending it on second. Okay, so I want to send from this shed 2 of that flock, first flock, to the same shed or the different shed, and I want to create a new flock automatically here. Because I am already here, again I need to go back to flock, create there and come back. Instead of that, the option is given here to create a new flock automatically here. See, if you click on that new flock, automatically the flock name came here. The shed 2, fourth sequence of that farm, your farm, and second sequence of that shed. Okay, so available birds is this much, so I can send the birds. Now if I send this birds to, it will create automatically that flock, and that flock these birds are transferred from whatever the selected shed to that shed's new flock. So I'll just click on save. So once I click on save, now it will save. So you can see 2 transactions it has come. Okay, so this is how you can transfer the shed of from that shed or from that flock to the new flock. So this is the overall transferring of the birds. So we'll see some other transactions in the coming videos. Thank you.